In this video, I am going to solve a sample problem on or about simple stress. Here's the problem. A horizontal beam EB supported by an inclined strut CD carries a load P equal to 2,500 pounds at the position shown in the figure. The strut, which consists of two bars, is connected to the beam by a bolt passing through the three bars meeting at joint C. If the allowable shear stress in the bolt is 14,000 psi, what is the minimum required diameter of the bolt? Okay. Now, the given condition is the allowable shear stress in the bolt, which is 14 psi. So here, C. So therefore, um, given ang force, given ang stress, so ang unknown is area, no? And from the area, na ang unknown D, no? So let's solve for the force of member CD. No? So what we are going to do is we'll cut this one. We'll cut strut CD, and we will sum up moment about point A, no? Or joint A, or the support at A. Cut, and then it's obvious na when the force is applied, strut CD will be subjected to compression. So, dapat ang force sa CD, assume na compression. FCD. Okay. So, we can now sum up moment about A so that we can solve for CD. And to have components, since the force is inclined, we are going to resolve the force into components, and we will be needing the slope instead of angle. The slope is 3 vertical, 4 horizontal. So 3 vertical, 4 horizontal. 3, 4. And the hypotenuse is 5. So the vertical component is 3/5, no? FCD times 3/5, while the horizontal component is FCD times 4/5 or 4/5. 0.8 or simply 4/5. 0.8, and then ang vertical component 0.6, no? 3/5. 0.6 of CD. Okay, so let's sum up moment about A. And 0.8 FCD has no moment since the line of action of this force passes through A. So we only have two forces, this one and P. So this is the equation. 0.6 FCD times distance for positive counterclockwise minus P times 8. And from here, you can solve for FCD. It's 8,333.33 pounds in compression. So we now have the value of the force combined with the allowable stress, and we can solve for the area. And from the area, we can solve for the minimum diameter. Now, okay, we are now ready to solve for the required diameter, minimum diameter of the bolt. This is the formula. Okay. This one is given. The force is already solved, FCD. And ang area is double times 2, naka-double shear man. So, this portion will be the failure one, the failure planes. No? This one and this one. So, double shears. So, ang area ni will be multiplied by 2. So, allowable stress is force FCD over 2 times area of the circle, pi over 4, diameter squared. And we are now going to substitute the values. Allowable stress 14,000 psi. So the force is in pounds, and then inch square. So therefore, FCD must be expressed in pounds. So, so we have this one, and then you can just use your calculator, shift solve, to solve for the minimum diameter. And the answer is this one. So the minimum diameter is 0.6156 inches. Okay, that's it. So I hope that you have learned something from this one. Thank you for watching.